I've searched the internet for the best Black Friday action camera deals. In this video, I'm going to share what I found so you get the best deal possible. Let's start with DJI. Their newest camera is the Osmo Action 3, and they are not offering any types of sales on the Action 3, but they are offering a free t-shirt. When I was doing my research, it really hit me how few electronic stores there are anymore. You're pretty much left with buying direct from the manufacturer, Amazon, Best Buy, and there's a handful of camera retailers that are still hanging on. When I was looking for a deal on the Action 3, I checked Best Buy, Walmart, B&H, Amazon, and there wasn't really any deals to be had on the Osmo Action 3. But DJI is offering deals on the Action 2. Now the Action 2 has a lot of the same specs and equipment as the Osmo Action 3, but it is a completely different design. It uses a modular design that uses interchangeable pieces. So they're offering 30% off of all of their combos, and they're throwing in a free protective magnetic case, as well as free express shipping. Their deal ends November the 28th. On this channel, I'm going to bring you the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Insta360's newest action camera is the X3, and they aren't offering any big deals on the camera itself. They are offering 10% off of selected accessories. The price of the kits is reduced, so you'll save a few bucks there, but nothing to get worked up about. Similar to DJI, Insta360 is really putting their discounts on older models. They're offering 15% off of the One X2, the predecessor to the X3. They also reduced the price of the One RS Twin and 4K editions by 10%. They didn't reduce the price of the RS 1-inch, but they do throw in a free selfie stick, and that has a value of $25. You can get up to 50% off of select accessories like this dual battery charger for the One X2. Insta360's Black Friday sale ends November the 30th. GoPro is offering 15% off site-wide, including the GoPro Hero 11 Black and the Hero 11 Black Mini. GoPro offers a product at two different prices, one with the subscription and one without the subscription. I made a video explaining the GoPro subscription program. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check that out to see if it's a right fit for you. When I go through these prices, I'm going to give the price if you had bought the subscription, which provides the best value. You can get the Hero 11 for $347.48, or the Hero 11 Plus accessory bundle for $389.98. You can get the Hero 11 Black Mini for $262.48, or the bundle for $323.65. Or you can get the Hero 11 Creator Edition for $500.48. Best Buy and B&H actually have a few GoPro deals. With Best Buy, you get a $50 gift card. For other products, they're offering $25 to go towards buying an 8x8 photo book from Shutterfly. B&H is offering the Hero 11 for $399.99, which is basically the standard price for all the other retailers, but they are offering a 64 gig memory card and a battery charger plus one battery. But once again, that's still not as good of a deal as you can get if you go to GoPro and do the subscription price. On GoPro, you could get the Hero 11, you can get a 64 gig memory card, you can get the dual charger with two batteries, with two Enduro batteries for $401. So the third-party retailers just are not offering the deals that the manufacturers are. If you still don't know which action camera is right for you, check out this video where I cover all the features of the big three action cameras for this year.